morning light on the window frame, dust in the air like quiet flame. Same old floor, same gentle sound. Another day still turning round. The kettle sings, the clock runs slow. Footsteps where the shadows go. A jacket hung by yesterday. A note that says, don't forget the way. Hands that learn from other hands. Stories past but never planned. Nothing loud, nothing grand, just small truths we understand. Time keeps moving, soft and wide. We don't chase it, we walk beside. We don't keep the noise or the flame, we keep the quiet that remains. The steady light when storms are gone, the simple ride that carries on. Not the crown, not the clay, just the ground beneath our name. What we build, what we give, that's the part that learns to live. A child laughs in borrowed shoes. Old hands teach what they still use. Coffee rings on wood and grain. 1,000 days in every stain. Windows glow in evening rain. Someone hums a half-known name. The world keeps spinning fast and loud. We stay rooted in the crowd. Every season leaves a trace. Every step still finds its place. We don't keep the noise or the flame, we keep the quiet that remains. The steady light when storms are gone, the simple ride that carries on. Not the crown, not the claim, just the ground beneath our name. What we build, what we give, that's the part that learns to live. Let the headlines fade to dust, let the shouting lose its rust. If tomorrow shifts its shape, we keep the hands that build the gate. Not to win, not to shine, just to lead a steady line. If the world forgets our face, let it remember how we stayed. We don't keep the noise or the flame, we keep the quiet that remains. The steady light when storms are gone, the simple ride that carries on. Not the crown, not the clay, just the ground beneath our name. What we build, what we give, that's the part that learns to live. How we chose to stay.